Hey, what is up friends, my name is Eric, and in today's Premiere Pro tutorial I will be showing you guys how to turn mono audio, so single-sided, single-channel audio, into stereo audio. Alright, to get started, all you need is your Premiere Pro project opened up. I have this little test clip here of an audio clip of me saying testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna play that back and you should hear that only one side of the audio channel is filled. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So you should be able to only hear the audio on the left hand side. So the left channel is filled with audio and the right hand channel is not. So to fix that, it's very simple. Make sure that you have the effects window open. If you don't, go up to window and find effects here. Enable that. Then in the search bar up in the effects tab, type in fill. And from here, this is all going to be based on what you need. So for my case, I know that the right hand side has no audio, so I'm going to use fill right with left. So if you had the case that the right hand side has audio but not the left side, then use fill left with right. So pretty basic. All you need to do with that is drag and drop it onto your audio clip. If you have it open in the effect controls, just drag it there. Don't have a duplicate. And we should be able to hear that both channels, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, are now filled. So this is how you can fill in a missing audio channel using Premiere Pro. And that's it for this tutorial. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Cheers.